Hi everyone and welcome back to Journey with Steven, and today I'll be bringing you along with me on my trip on Qatar Airways from Singapore to Barcelona via Doha. So it's been a while since I actually flown with Qatar Airways, and this time around I decided to fly at a very ungodly hour. If I'm not wrong, the flight is at 3:10 a.m. departing from Singapore, but that means that I'll reach Barcelona actually in the afternoon, which is perfect. So I decided to actually book that flight. And yeah, I'll be bringing you along with me and share what are the major differences I feel after not flying with Qatar Airways for, I don't know, 5 years now? 6 years? I think 6 years. It is 12:47 right now, and it's about time for me to head to the airport. So yeah, let's get going. See you at Changi Airport Terminal 1. Okay, we are all checked in right now. Thing is that basically there's only 2 seat option. The flight it's like full. So I was slot in the middle seat, and basically I asked if I could actually swap seats to any aisle seats because I don't want to be in the middle, right? But unfortunately there is only one, but it's all the way at the back near the lavatory, which is what I really don't want to be based at. So I have decided to just hold the idea, and the gate agent was very nice. She was like, oh, if any other aisle seat comes out available, she would let me know at the gate and she would issue me the boarding pass at the gate. So she's very nice. Anyways, let's get going.
Mind your step. Mind your step. Mind your step. Mind your step.
Okay, I'm gonna walk around the airport because the gate is not open yet. Everyone is queuing outside, and I just want to tire myself out before I hop on the flight. So let's walk laps around the airport, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. A few things might have happened after I checked in. So when I was refreshing the app, I found myself sitting in the aisle seat. So I was having a chat earlier with the check-in agent and asked her if there are any aisle seats available instead of the middle seat, and then she said there was one seat available, but that's all the way at the back, which is near the lavatory and also where the galley is. I said, okay, no worries, it's fine. And she doesn't have a superior with her, so she cannot confirm the seat as well. And I was a bit hesitant as well, whether I want to take the seat or not because it's so close to the left. But I suppose it was gonna be fine if I do want to swap from middle to aisle. So I said, okay, yeah. So, but basically she printed the boarding pass for the middle seat, and she told me that she would swap me if everything's good at the gate. But I checked online and it shows that I am based in the aisle seat. So yeah, let's see if they change out my boarding pass later. I would highly think so because I already got the digital boarding pass for the aisle seat. And then again, yeah, pretty much. The second thing is that there's a very great upgrade offer. It's very irresistible because it's only 850 Singapore dollars to go on a 6-hour 45 minutes upgrade from economy to business from Doha to Barcelona. So I don't know, like it's so tempting. I haven't upgraded it, but I am very tempted, let's just say. But $850 is $850 though. I would rather use the money to spend it on a bag or something in Europe actually. So let's see how it goes later, I guess. yeah, let's head to the gate right now. I literally just heard them paging my name, but I am still actually queuing to go through security clearance. So, whoopsie! Okay, so here we are flying on Qatar Airways after nearly 6 years, and I basically just picked up my new boarding pass. After checking with them, they're like, Mr. Chan? I'm like, yes, that's right. So got my new boarding pass and we are all set to go. Getting a bit tired, so hopefully we'll be able to sleep on the flight. Fingers crossed. But yeah, the offer to upgrade is still so tempting. So, let's see how I feel after I land. If I feel so horrible that I feel like $850 is fine.
Elderly customers may now board the aircraft on the right side of the podium.
If I feel like $850 can make me feel comfortable for whatever reason at a point of time that I can sacrifice getting a branded bag or something, then that would do. But for now, I'm holding the offer. Yeah. Thank you. So we have a wet towel or cold towel. Yeah, I'm just waiting for us to pull back right now and depart for Doha.
Yeah, I should have got the word with it. I should have. Oh, hey, what's going on, Q-Ball?
What's up, Kevin? Look, man, I need your help. I need the world's greatest city.
You know, they say a lot of these safety videos are no nonsense. How about we just call it what it is? Unimaginative, uninventive, without born.
Exactly.
Say no more. Excuse me, FIA, hey! Welcome, Qatar Airways passengers. Exits and walkways must be cleared at all times. Get your stuff out the aisle. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help. Please prepare for takeoff. Now you can enjoy your 8,000 entertainment options on your OX1. By the way, I spent $7,999 on the ride is only in one. Don't ask me why.
Let's look at what's inside the amenity kit in economy class. Firstly, there's a toothbrush and toothpaste, and then there is a eye mask as well as a pair of socks. Last but not least, it also includes a pair of earplugs. off. The flight, however, was very bumpy 3/4 of the time. I have no idea why is the whole flight so bumpy, but that's crazy. Alright, so we are having the pancake for breakfast. It comes with a croissant, yogurt, fruits, and I'm having a mimosa. Let's take a look at the safety card today. So we are flying on the A350-900. In the seat pocket, we'll also find a bath bag as well.
Welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time here is 5:30 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. You have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. First-time visitors are required to proceed to the immigration counters for visa processing. If you are unsure of your eligibility, please approach a customer service agent in the immigration hall for assistance. Customers traveling onwards in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. In order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and thank you for choosing to fly Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. Qatar Airways going places together.
This is the captain, cabin crew to Santos for arrival and Costa.
Not yet.
Thank you, bye. Thank you. Alright, so here we are in Doha right now. I will be back in a few days later. But for now, I'm gonna transit through and get to Barcelona. Overall, it's a good flight. It's been a while since I've flown with Qatar Airways, like nearly 6 years. But overall, good product. Food catering wise was only breakfast serving, so not much to complain about, not much to rate about. The pancakes were fine, they were a bit like dry, but overall they're okay. So yeah, let's get going right now. Let's head to the lounge for a quick shower and freshen up, and then get to the gate, or maybe get something else to eat. Okay, whatever. Let's go and figure out where's the lounge and my next gate. How far am I gonna be away from the lounge? Let's go. But I'm quite thankful though, because this time around there is no need for a bus transfer, because usually with flights with Qatar Airways it's always bus transfer, so good one this time. Alrighty, got lucky and basically found myself a quiet spot to work for a little bit and grab something to eat, and then let's head to the flight later. So I'll see you on the next flight.